Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw your XRP from Kucoin. It's an easy feat. All you need to do is simply make sure you have an account on Kucoin. And if you do not have an account on Kucoin, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you could simply register and verify your account to stand a chance to claim 3,200 USDT worth of welcome bonuses and trading gifts when you do that. So guys, with a verified account, all you need to do to withdraw is really simple. Head over to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, you'll drop that the overview, where you simply scroll from the overview to the funding, select the withdrawal option on the funding wallets, and simply search for XRP. Now click on XRP. Alright guys, and once you're on the on-chain withdrawal option, all you need to do is quite simple. Simply enter the wallet address and the network, and you can get all of this information from an external wallet where you're withdrawing to. So by minimizing and opening up your Trust wallet, which is the exchange, which is the wallet I'm working with for this video, all you need to do is, once the Trust wallet has opened up, use the search icon at the top of the screen to search for XRP. And we're going to be sending our XRP on the Ripple network, seeing as that's the only network that works with the Kucoin app. So click on the XRP, click on the receive option, copy the address, and please take note that no tag is required, so you do not have to put anything in the tag option. So minimize, open up the Kucoin, and once it's opened, paste the XRP there, and you'd notice that the Ripple network is entered automatically. And once you've done this, no need to paste the tag as I said before. Enter the minimum. So let's say we've got 22 XRP, or let's say we got up to 22 XRP. All we need to do is simply hit the withdrawal option. And once we've done this, after clicking on the withdrawal option, minimize and head over to Trust Wallets. Once there, you could simply reload from the main menu. You could simply reload. And after that reload, you'd find your XRP deposited. And if you do not find your XRP, the token toggle at the top right corner of the screen, click on this token toggle, search for XRP, and simply activate the toggle if it's turned off. And by doing this, your XRP would then be deposited on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.